This is Chris Hansen. It's 11:20 on the microwave. Um, I just woke up. I got so many microwaves that are beaming in the side of my head that I'm just completely dizzy. Um, so I went to grab the phone to make this video, and as soon as I did, they just amped up the microwaves in the side of my head, and then it come voice, just go get your goddamn Holy Spirit off me, with an inference that I was saying that to the Holy Spirit shot in my head from this microwave weapon system. I haven't even been up, man, for 2 minutes yet, and this is the way the day's starting. This is a record of Pearl Harbor Hickam Air Force Base and what they're doing to me. I'm pinned down on the floor basically with microwaves. I'm rolling around, I'm all dizzy. And it's 11:22, just before noon, and they're just aiming this project on my brain for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours on end now. It's Chris Hansen, Honolulu, Hawaii. It's February the 13th, 2020.